Hello, good morning viewers. Today I just come here in Bangkok old bigger station railway. So right now I am here. I already come from Nakhon Sawan to Bangkok Olompong station. And viewers, this station is the bigger station before. But right now the bigger station in Bangkok railway, Bangsu. And this station name, this is the bigger station. This is station name is Olompong railway station in Bangkok city. And very nice now locomotive here, the old model. Yes, the old model locomotive design is very beautiful, and looking also that one, the red color is Royal State Railway of Thailand. It's very nice, beautiful. And right now this station is some train only come here. I like a cheapest train coming from Rayong, like that, Nakhon Sawan. Right now I come here like that. But the bigger station name is Bangsu. That one there. This station right now is I think is not much train come here because already changed it from here to Bangsu. And this is the decoration of this Bangsu, Olompong train station. And looking very beautiful decoration here, design, and that one, the king picture. Was this station the bigger station in Bangkok city? And passenger terminal here. All passenger before waiting here, from here to start all Thailand destination. How to make it the train? Yeah. So this is the terminal before the bigger terminal, this one. And right now this terminal I think is not much people here, not much passenger, because some train from here only just going in Thailand anywhere. But the more train going from Bangsu station to all Thailand. So that one, the toilet everybody can use right now. Before is you have to pay 10 baht, but right I think it's free. I don't know, I will see, maybe is pay also or not. Okay, I don't want to go there because no need. I think it's free right now because not much people here right now. And Thailand is almost some monk people sit down the separate chair, and passengers sit down the separate chair because of culture of Thailand is Buddha culture. And that one, the picture of this king, and this is the old king, and that one the picture. And this is the ticket office also before, and right now also some train only, but before is much people stand here because the busy. And this is the timetable, Bangkok railway station. Here is before some passengers waiting here and buy donut, dunking donut, and sit down here and waiting for the train time. But right now is not much people here because Bangsu already start the new terminal by Bangsu, the bigger one. Okay viewers, if you come here, if you want to go to MRT, is easy. And this is the taxi stand, tuk-tuk stand. If you where some want some area, if you want to go, there is a no MRT, so you can take taxi and tuk-tuk from here. Otherwise, if you choose MRT, you can go stand like that, straight, continuous. And this elevator going to down about MRT. MRT train, if you want to go somewhere, they have also connecting train to go airport. If you want to go to Bangsu, also you can go from here. Bangsu, the bigger station railway. And if you come here, you can walk continuous, then go to when you come here, you can straight continuous, then you can see the left hand machine, ticketing machine. If you buy machine if you buy ticket from machine, you can self-service. If you want buy direct to office from ticket from office, so you can go direct to buy ticket. And viewers, this is the old story. We will see this king. Right now he is die, but he is the father of king right now. And this king was sit down here and signature for the MRT. And this chair stay right now is available here. And this year this MRT station opened 3 July 2004. He was sit down here and signature for this MRT new terminal, new train station, new train. Okay viewers, so right now here is a whole ATM machine. If you want something, withdraw your money. If you don't have cash, you can take withdraw machine, cash from machine. And then this is the ticketing office, and that one, this is the ticketing machine, and that one the ticketing office. Yes, so right now take care. I just show you this is only for old train station Bangkok, the big one. But right now Bangsu, right now the bigger station, train station name is Bangsu, not here. This is Olompong. Okay, take care, bye bye.